Should we stop calling everything AI? Because that's not what a lot of it is, and the term is so broad. Like, it's like we forgot what it stands for, which is artificial intelligence. That's all it stands for, which is very broad and up to your interpretation if you perceive it as artificially intelligent. Um, and working in a field of 3D visual effects and stuff, I see a lot of people commenting like, nice AI, cool AI, AI can do this. And it's like we should have more terms like GI, where it's generated images, because I don't know what the artificial intelligence is in there that you're thinking. Like, I guess you're thinking like the user interface you're using and putting your words into is artificially intelligent when it gives you what it's doing. But it's, I feel like we're losing. I mean, I don't think a lot of people in the general populace know how it works, like what these neural networks and machine learning and LLMs, like what is going on behind the scenes, just like the way that I don't fully know what Bluetooth exactly is, like a rough concept, but like if you asked me to explain it to you, it wouldn't be correct. Um, or a lot of different things where it's kind of just modern magic, but you know it's based in science and tech. But there should start to be more words where AI is not quite it. And I've really found it crazy that people think CGI and AI are synonymous with each other, which is sort of a square circle or a square rectangle thing, where it's like, you know, all squares are rectangles, but all rectangles are squares, where it's, yes, CGI is another just acronym for computer generated images, which has been around for a long time. We've been making computers generate images for, you know, like decades. Um, so they're not wrong when they're like, that my AIR is CGI. Yes, a computer generated that image. But when I go into a 3D software program and start with a blank void of 3D, and then I add things to it and I texture it and I light it and I decide on the render settings and I render it and I make a computer generated image of art, yes, that is also CGI, but it is the furthest thing from AI process wise or skill wise or everything. It just seems really weird that we've now what maybe seems past the point of like remembering what these acronyms stand for.